Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame right now. And as you can see, yesterday we got into our $20,300 target, and then we rejected right off of that pretty hard right into the daily close classic Bitcoin. After pushing down all day after market opened an hour in, we completely relief rallied, took out all the shorts all day, and then we actually took out the longs right after that. So for today, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for support above 19,595, and I'm looking for continuation to the upside. The reason being, yesterday I was looking for the close underneath this 19.6. Now we are actually being supported by the golden pocket. This is what accumulation usually looks like. You see these wicks to the downside and higher wicks, meaning someone is accumulating. So we still have the possibility of going to the downside. As I said earlier, this little triangle consolidation situation could be setting us up, but as long as this consolidation like that. I mean, as long as we're in this little triangle and we're just bouncing around, I'm not really dying to make a move. But the second we're outside of it, I'm gonna be a little bit more ready. And then another thing is we are now almost 70%ish. So something like this is probably gonna happen soon. It's gonna have to decide which way it wants to break out, and it can even break out, fake out, and then go all the way back down. So be ready. Whenever it does this kind of situation, I just wait for the break because I've seen so many fake outs. So in case it breaks to the downside, don't get too excited. You can find support right on our level at around 18.5 and then jump right back up and go straight up. Okay, and then if it goes up, don't get too excited because it can get rejected right at 22,500 and then roll right back down to the downside. So be careful, okay? What was I gonna say? I said it can go to 19,255. It said 19,200 or sorry, 22,552. I'm gonna actually wait until it breaks the weekly open because that's where our resistance is. So right here, this 20,900 or 20,850, aka our 21 EMA on a daily time frame is our resistance to the upside. Until we can close above that on a daily time frame, I'm not looking for higher. I'm probably gonna look for this as rejection and then roll over to the downside. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour real quick. So on the 4-hour, we are just losing the 21 after hitting the 55. So now obviously you're probably gonna go test the lows again. And if we lose this $19,600 level on 4-hour open and close, we're gonna probably retest the previous day low and try to bounce around there. So get ready for that kind of shenanigans. Let me take a look at the market today. Market is down significantly pre-market wise. So that also is questionable. I would say that this situation, I can understand why people are trying to be a little bit bearish, but I'm gonna be the devil's advocate. I don't think you need to be bearish until this range breaks. Okay, so we are testing the mid of this channel right now. Until we start closing under 19,600, I'm not really concerned. And then once we lose this 19,300, then I'll start being like, okay, downside move is coming. So this is what I'm going to be keeping on the chart for Bitcoin on a 4-hour. Okay. Volume to the downside is also subsiding. So I am now getting cautious. If this goes sideways here, this can go and turn into a W very, very quickly. It's not good to be completely bearish. I'm gonna let this go to the downside anyway because equities are going down pre-market. So maybe we go down, test out the previous day low. As soon as markets open, we start right back up, just like yesterday. Give it an hour into New York open, and then we can look for the rally. All right. So that's Bitcoin for you. And then if we do start closing under this 19,600, obviously, then we have this next level at 18,870, which is what gave our bounce perfectly yesterday. Then after that, we're going to be looking for that 17,642. Okay, $17,500, $17,600 area. We have one naked point of control at 17,900 before that. So we might tap that, and there's another naked point of control right over here at 18. So these areas look very, very juicy. We do look like we're setting up like a head and shoulder situation, but I've seen these break to the upside. So yeah, we're gonna have to wait and see. I'm gonna let today play out. If today we can stay above 19.6 with the daily close, I think we're gonna close in this range here, go sideways, and then we'll probably start rising tomorrow. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It does look like we're about to go sideways and test up on higher time frame, guys. So get ready. Weekly doesn't look that great. Weekly says that we want to take out the low of this and just continue lower to like 17.5 and under, like almost 16, 15-ish area. So until this level is broken, 18.5, I'm not looking for lower. But yeah, I do think 18.5 is a prime target to get tested now. And we will see how that does for us. Yes, 18.5, and then man, 15,000 is starting to look more and more attractive to me. Yeah, okay. I'm going to Ethereum, guys. So Ethereum, ooh, looks like it did a little bit better than Bitcoin yesterday. We are still holding on to more of our relief rally than Bitcoin is yesterday, so that's good. We want to stay above $1,061. Closing any time frame under that, we're going to be probably gunning for the low of the day, which is 1,000, and then we could go lower. So let's not have that happen. Volume to the downside was increasing. We got one relief rally, maybe a short stop squeeze, and then looks like we're going to continue again. Ideally, we don't want to go under 1060. If we do, we're gonna be hurting a lot of people. We are doing the same thing on this, a little triangle consolidation. We're trying to stay above this descending channel, which is not doing that great. There you go. And we are filling out the triangle. I do think, yeah, this chart is like packed with stuff right now. I do think we're going to test downside. I don't see the strength for it to go up. This just looks like another lower high. And it's just rolling over on a daily, little 4 hour. Yeah. So we rejected off the 55. Now we're actually on the bottom of our little blue channel, and it looks like we're losing that. And then what I said was, when you lose that, you have a measured move to this level right here, which is our low of yesterday, 1,000. And losing the 1,000 today, we're gonna be initiating this measured move of this range straight down. It's gonna be painful, guys. Get ready. And then it's going right to this naked point of control, and then this target right here, this 750, 760 area. After this 829, if it doesn't give us a bounce of this range, this 770 is a previous range. So let's see if we can find some support here. Right now, the 21 is just where we're at. We need to go sideways not lose 1061, and then when the new candle 4-hour opens, let's see for move to the upside to stop the downside move. And right now the volume is subsiding, so the possibilities of a turnaround is there as soon as New York opens. I think you're gonna have to be patient for New York to open and see if this turns into an accumulation to the upside. And if this does turn into accumulation to the upside, it's gonna start going up quickly. We'll probably find support here at around 1091. We'll probably test into 1150, and then if we can break into that, we'll probably go right to the top of the channel around 12,000 or 1200, sorry. And then we can see if we make this measured move after we break out of this 1200 level. If we can get open and close above this 1250, we should start making this initial rise up. Might test into the previous weekly high at 1275, roll over, test the top of our channel again, and then shoot up to like 1350-ish area. So yeah, that's what we're looking at on Ethereum, guys. Aside from that, if there's any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. If there are any other assets you would like to cover, please feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Please press the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell button for notifications so you guys get these real-time updates as they come out. And aside from that, there is a Discord group in the description of this video where I will be talking with all the other traders who want to discuss real-time events. And today in the morning before making this video, I was sharing the chart of gold, how I was saying it's coming into an area of either you want to buy for a long or you want to hedge yourself short, because the next target from the 1700 is around 16. Let me actually give you that exact number. As I was saying, if gold does not bounce off the area where it's at, like around 1715 to 1730, 1740, then we will probably be going to the next target to the downside, which is around 1630. And this is for XAUUSD. So I'm looking for a retest into 1730, 1740. If we can't hold that level and we get rejected from 1730, 1740, I'm looking for gold to go to 1600, the low 1600s, so like 1635-ish for the next level of a bounce. So that's gold for you guys. Aside from that, guys, I will talk to you guys soon. I hope you guys have a great day today. This already looks like a rejection on the shorter time frame, and it looks like we're going to be swinging down to the downside, and this is a 1 hour chart. So do not think that this one green candle means we are looking for upside. It already got rejected, and it looks like we're about to roll over. So let's see how the 4 hour. Oh, we have a whole other hour for the 4 hour. Okay, so yeah, let's give it that hour. And this is the last hour of the 4 hour after this 3 minutes. Let's see how that plays out. But already I don't like the positioning of that hourly candle. It looks like we're going to basically gun for this mid and then probably lose it and test the low, if not even lower today. Just take out this liquidity. We might go even lower than this and maybe hit this area over here like 950. So let's give it some time, and then I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day, be safe, and don't forget, keep your leverage low, because the market makers are starting to shake people out because the weekend is around the corner. So if they want, they can let the price go as high as they want, so that way they can get a short for the weekend. So that's my case for the upside. For the downside, if it does go down and we close very, very negative on Friday, I would think that it would be a good opportunity to hedge myself to the upside, because over the weekend we might go counter direction of the week's trade. So just get ready, guys. It's going to be an interesting week. All right, third time. Talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.